That's too close now. Move back. A bit more. Okay, that's enough. If you know me well, you know that I love to do my laundry. But many of you buy products and refuse to read the product description. Reading product instructional use will save you lots of headaches around misuse, especially for a product like Hypo Bleach. To help prevent incidents like bleach damaging your clothes, here are a few guidelines on how to use Hypo Bleach to whiten your whites. Always dilute Hypo Bleach according to the instructions on the packaging. Usually, it is 75 ml in 10 liters of water for your white fabrics. Never use it undiluted directly on clothing. Never. When using a washing machine, add Hypo Bleach after the wash cycle has begun to agitate. Avoid pouring it directly onto clothes in the sink or washer. Hypo Bleach is suitable for cotton. Avoid using on wool, silk, leather, rubber, or flame retardant fabrics. Don't forget, there is cholera outbreak. Disinfect with Hypo Bleach. Follow Hypo Go Hypo to learn more about how to use Hypo Bleach for disinfecting and whitening.